Hey, welcome back. This is Sean, Discount TV and Computer Repair. Today we're going to be looking about the problem with the Sony Trinitron television and the infamous 6-blink error code. Now, when you get the 6-blink error code, what I'm talking about is you attempt to go turn the TV on and it does not turn on. You get no sound, no picture. But the standby timer LED light blinks 6 times and then it pauses and it blinks another 6 times and so on and so forth. Well, that's giving you an error code, and Sony has they have 10 known blink codes, so to speak, and you can simply Google that and get a hold of the 10 blink error codes and the information associated with each number of blinks as far as the error codes go. And you have all sorts of errors. It generally gives you an idea of which area to look in. For example, an overvoltage condition in the high voltage area, or the horizontal circuit, or vertical, so on and so forth. But in this case, with the 6 blink error code scenario, I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm simply just going to show you two small ICs, 2 chips that are 90% of the time causing this problem. Now, right in front of us here is the flyback transformer, the FBT. That's the high voltage transformer that goes to the CRT tube, and I've simply cut the line and to make things a lot easier for removal, and later on I'll bring my solder station with me and simply splice the line back together again. Now, just in front of that, or behind it, and I know the lighting is not too good right here, but I'm going to point out the 2 chips, and again, right behind the flyback transformer. So here we go. I'm going to kind of zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to point out the 2 ICs. And you can see them right now. There's one here that's towards the back of the board, or the back of the TV. This is actually the way the TV, this is actually the way the board sits in the television. This would be the front of the television, or the back actually, as you take the panel off the back of the TV, and you're looking at that point, respectively, you're looking at the front of the board, but the back of the TV, so to speak. Okay, so now that we got that straight. Now, on the other side of the flyback transformer, you have these 2 ICs. There's one right here. Okay. See if I can get a little light in here. Okay. Right where I have that light is one IC, and there is the other one. Right where I have the light. So we have 2 of them, and generally on the board on the IC, if you look close enough with a light and maybe a magnifying glass, you can see that on the chip it says MCZ 3001D. Both chips are the same. Those 2 chips are causing your 6-blink error code, causing the TV not to turn on. Now, in this case, I was able to find the ICs and order them from MCM Electronics. They're about $10 or $12 a piece, plus shipping. And so if you're experiencing this problem and you're any good at soldering, you can probably have some success fixing it yourself. Well, that concludes this episode of the infamous 6-blank error code with Sony Trinitrons. Hope you enjoyed it.